Welcome back to the Hollis Urban Garden. Many blessings to you all. Good to see you all today. We've been having some good weather. It's been really hot. So today I have to come out here and clean. I have to come out here and get some weeds. Because when I say the weeds have taken over, the weeds have taken over. But just a quick update. I'm not sure if I even showed you guys my is this my lemon? Yeah, my Meyer lemon tree that I got. Let me show you really quick. It's my Meyer lemon that I picked up from a big box store. It was in the house. I just brought it back out. Well, just brought it outside because the leaves were falling off. And when I say the leaves smell so good, they smell so good. They smell really good. No, you wear this perfume or cologne. They smell great. So yeah, I'm gonna clean today because I have some weeds. Well, look at my strawberries. Ooh. The flowers are closed now, but they do open later. That one looked like it dried out. Yeah, that one dried out. I have not seen a lot of bees. The most I've seen was yesterday. It was like 2 or 3. So yeah, I have not seen a lot of bees. Thinking about getting some, to be honest. Because I have not seen that many. Please forgive my video if it's been pausing. Internet connection is terrible. Nothing much you can do about that. We're supposed to have the best. You know how that goes. Yeah. Well, yeah, I'm going to show you guys this mess over here. What I call jungle side. This is jungle side. I have to look. Oh, my lettuce went out some. I've been pulling some each day and eating it. But now I have to just get it all. It's my kale I have to get and the rest of my lettuce. I've been getting some each day and eating it, but I'm gonna pull it all up today. But I have to tackle these weeds. I have to tackle these weeds. But I just let you guys know there are snakes in the garden. No. Dum dum dum. Oh, I don't like snakes. But I have to get these weeds. So if you hear a scream or anything like that, it's just me. But I did want to show you guys. I remember telling you guys about that fly trap. We put this out yesterday. Let me show you this. Ew. Look at that. Terrible. Terrible, but good for me. And it smells. The stuff smells, but it's not really loud like in the whole area. It's just nearby it. Ugh. And that bag can get full, they say. I'm like, no. It's time to replace it. So yeah, it's time to replace that. But oh yeah, remember I said I was gonna let the was it tot soy go to seed? Look at these. Excuse me, they've gotten huge. And then these 3 are my sunflower. Well, 4 actually are my sunflowers that are growing. So yeah, weeding to do. But first, I'm gonna do a little checking with with a garden hoe. Oh, where is my weeder? Because actually, I think that. Where's my weeder? Oh, probably in the garage. I don't have my key. I guess I'll just use the garden hoe to check for snakes because they're not poisonous, but they do bite. They're not poisonous, but they do bite. Oops. Oh. So first, I'm doing a little check to make sure nothing huge is in here. Oh, mosquito. No. Oh, yeah, I forgot to spray myself. Let me do that. We spray ourselves with neem oil when we come out to keep the mosquitoes on. Because we've been getting tore up when we forget. If I can find it. What do I do with it? Ah, I hope nobody took it in the house. Oh, there it is. Spray myself real quick, guys. Because I don't want to be all bit up anymore. No more bites. I think that's enough. I think I've been bit enough. Looks like that. Made a little concoction up with the neem oil and soap and stuff that we use for the garden also. So, it works. Yeah. Rather smell like neem oil than be all bit up and itchy. I'm just saying. But yeah, oh yeah. I can show you guys a little bit of this before we get to weeding. Because I'm telling you something, weeding is not easy, but you have to do it. Look at my corn. Look at the corn. Oh, I am happy. Look at that. I'm gonna come get some of these weeds out of here too. Look at the corn. I didn't do that much corn. There's a lot going on over here, but I didn't do that much corn because I was experimenting. I didn't want to waste seeds. Ah, I hear you. I hear a snake. Ah. Ooh, my nose. And I'm not getting down on the ground to get them. I'm just going to reach. Because for one, this is my asparagus. And I can't believe how much, how many weeds are over here. My goodness. So I can show you guys what I'm doing to check first. And this is my first year dealing with snakes, so I could be checking wrong. But I'm just moving some of this and making noise, basically, to get them away. Then, well, let's see. Here, I want to get down in here and get these things. And let me tell you, those fly trap things are loud. They're loud. Those lines are loud. That sounds disgusting. And I have to be careful also because look at this. These are my asparagus going to seed. So I got to be careful. Okay. I thought I pulled up some asparagus. Well, no, I didn't. But yeah, guys, I have to do this whole area like this. And I'm doing it by hand because, like I said, I don't want to mess up my asparagus. I don't want to pull it up. None of that. But I have to get this stuff out of the way. Now, what's by this pole? I'm probably using my weed whacker because I don't have asparagus over here. Work smart, not hard. But doesn't mean this doesn't take a lot of time, you know. But I would rather do this than lose my asparagus. And then do it by hand, you get the roots. Wait, let me see. Can you see that? Yeah. Do it by hand, you're getting the roots. Plus, you're saving your plants. And I can put that in the compost pile. This stuff will definitely go in the compost. It stole my nutrients, so I'm still in there. But I didn't want to make this really long. You know, my videos are not long at all. I just wanted to show you guys what I was doing today. I remember showing you that I weeded before and then came back out. And it looked like, kind of like this, but not as bad. and then I weed it more. They keep coming back. But that's fine. Next year, what I'm gonna do, ooh, itchy ear. Next year, what I'm gonna do is probably get more the thicker mulch, since it'll be my 4 year. Because I think these were 3 year. No, these were 2 year asparagus, Mary Washington, that I planted. So then it'll be the 3rd year next year. That way, when I do put the other mulch on, it won't be hard for it to come up. So yeah, we'll see. I just want to show you guys that and show you some of the things I have in the garden. I'm really thinking that this garlic, I mean, not garlic, but this is my Yadfa. I think this is my Yadfa broccoli. I kept moving broccoli, so I don't know. But yeah, you guys see, this is why I call this jungle side. My goodness. Those are still my, what's that over there? Onion. Garlic is here. Lettuce. Kale. Like I said, today I have to get that kale up. And the lettuce. Because I don't want it to go bad. I don't want it to go bad. Then I can prepare that for something else. But that's what we're doing. Ooh. That is what we're doing today. So yeah, many blessings to you all. Thanks for stopping by the Hollis Urban Garden. If you have any questions on what I did or what I'm using, because we don't have many, you know what? We don't have many pests, but something did eat some of the leaves off of the kale. That's on the other, not the kale, sorry, the collards. That's on the other side. Not sure what it was, but that was it. It didn't eat the whole thing and then it hasn't come back. So I'm not sure what that was about. But I'm fine with that. But yeah, thanks for stopping by the Hollis Urban Garden. Many blessings to you all. Like, subscribe, share, and most importantly, grow. Many blessings.